This is a Challenge hedge trimmer, electric hedge trimmer, belonging to a friend of mine, and as you can see they managed to cut through the wire. They were using a hedge trimmer. So what I'm going to do now is disassemble it and reconnect the wire. Take this small bit of wire out and reconnect the new wire, or the old wire. First of all, you've got to take all the screws out, which I'm going to do now, which is the first two screws is that one there and that one there for the guard. Right, as you can see now, I've now removed the guard, taken the screws out and removed the guard. There it is by there. Now we have to take the cover off, so we have to remove all the screws. There's one there, all these screws, one on the handle, remove every one of them. 10 screws. What I've just noticed now, it's quite easy to pull these two bits apart, and because your handle is still connected, because the sides are still both connected by the handle, my advice is to screw this one back up again. The one that's in there, or if you've taken it out, put it back in and just screw it back up so that you don't actually break that bit by there. Screw it back up, that's holding that bit together, but this will still separate like so, yeah? And as you can see, there's your wire going in there, and that's where you've got to reconnect it into these pins by here. So what I'm going to try and do is get this block out. I can undo them two screws by there, or just loosen off one of them, get this block out, and then rewire it that way. As you can see, I can just get my screwdriver in there to loosen that block off. Only slightly, just so that I can move the cable in and out. And lift this block out to give me a bit of room. There. There's two pins inside there, which you'll see which the block slides into. Now it's a matter of just disconnecting the cable. Right, the second I need a better screwdriver than this one. Let's move it a bit closer now. As you can see, I'm disconnecting these two wires here now, the brown and the blue. And just make sure you know which one goes where when you put the new cable on. So the blue actually connects to the black and the brown connects to the white. Now I've got that disconnected. There now. By loosening off these screws. You see what I've done? I've actually gone down through the screw hole in the top to undo that screw there. Just loosen that off. Now I get the wire out. That's the wire out now. Now I've just got to strip the end of this wire now to fit it back in. Alright, there's my old wire. There's somebody cut through it. I stripped my new wire ready and I put the black cover over it as well. Now it's just a matter of having to feed it through there and then connect it back up there. Right, here goes. Let's feed the two wires through there like so. I'm not going to tighten it down yet because I got to connect the wire up and tidy it up. Now put my blue wire. Just make sure these screws are all the way open first. Yeah. Put my blue wire in there. Tighten that up. Yeah. My blue wire nice and tight. I'll put my brown wire in. Connecting the brown to the white. Brown wire in. Screw that up nice and tight. Right, that's them. Everything nice and tight in there now. Now what I'm going to do is slowly pull this wire back through so that the box slides in there like so. And as you can see now, the box is in there tidy. I'm just going to tighten down on my cable in there now. I'm going to make sure that yellow is still coming through here, and then tighten the screws down. You can see now, I tighten the white block down. There's still a little bit of yellow coming through. If I can show you, right by there, to make sure the block stays nice and tight, and then just clip that in there. Right, as you can see now, put my cable back in there, all nice and tidy, put it back together, and now we just put all the screws back in and see if it works. I put all my screws back in now. I just got to put the guard back on. I'll do that now. Screws guard back on now. Right there, that's nice. Everything is together. Now try it out. We're taking the guard off now. Taking the cover off. So all put back together. There we go. Hope you enjoy. Hope it's helped.